Good morning, students. The honors students who have selected this global climate change. Thank you for selecting this topic as your honors course. Okay, so first and foremost, I just would like to discuss about the syllabus of global climate change. So there are 5 units. So as you know, you are already have taken the honors course. Okay, so 15 hours is a face-to-face section, and the remaining hours is through online mode. So day 2 and day 3 we will conduct the face to face section, and the remaining days we will try to upload the videos on the global climate change for each unit. Please watch that video and please answer the MCQs. I also have already uploaded the assignment for this particular course, global climate change. So first I would like to say why what is the necessity of to study this global climate change. As we are aware, the global climate change is a trending topic right now. Okay, because of the human made activities, because a lot of industrialization happens. Because of that, the carbon footprint increases. As the carbon footprint increases, that leads to the global climate change. So for example, I can say this is a July August, right? So this is a, it's not a very hot summer, but however there are it's not rainy season as well. But nowadays is getting rainy, and sometimes some days is very hot. This is all because of the global climate change, and it has been observed that almost 1.8 degrees Celsius has been increased every year. If you ask me, some 15 years or 20 years back, okay, the climate is 35 degrees Celsius is found to be very hot, but nowadays it's very common during the summer season in the tropical region like India is around 42 or 43. So during our period, during our childhood or during our college days, we found that 42, 43 only found in the desert region. Okay, just understand the why I am trying to say all this is that please try to observe the climate change which has happened in the last 2 decades. Okay, so the industrialization is happened after 19th century. Okay, during that time there is no that much effect on the global climate change, but however around for the last 30 3 or 4 decades, 30 to 40 years, what happened? The climate change is a major concern. Okay, for the human. Okay, so here we have a 5 division, I mean 5 unit. Unit 1 going to be introduction to climate change science. So you please note it down these topics on your notebook. Okay, so unit 2 is observed changes and its causes. Unit 3 impacts on climate change. Unit 4 climate change adaptation mitigation measures. Unit 5 clean technology and climate change finance. So I'm going to cover the first unit, and the syllabus for your FAT 1 will be unit 1 and unit 2. Okay, please concentrate on this unit before you go for your FAT, and please try to answer the MCQs which has been embedded in the videos which is shortly going to be uploaded. Okay, and coming to the references, okay, and textbook you could able to see here Jan Van Dam, impact of climate change, climate variability on hydrological regimes, Cambridge University Press. The second book is Dash Sunil Kumar, Climate Change, and the references from IPCC assessment report, as well as the first climate change and water, the technical paper of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Okay, so what is the objective of this course? So if you see the COs, they outline about the basics of Earth climate system, identify the changes in climate change and its causes. CO3, the course outcome 3, summarize the impacts of climate change. Course outcome 4, discover the adaptation and mitigation measures for climate change. Course outcome 5 is analyzing the clean technology and energy. So which the clean technology which we will discuss about hydrogen energy, biofuels, solar energy, wind, hydroelectric power, okay, and so things so on. Okay, so this is at a level of analysis level, the course outcome 5 as well as the course outcome 4, whereas the other is at the lower RBT level. Okay, so the course outcome level 2 is a apply level. So why I'm trying to say, you just based on this your evaluation will be okay. So the analysis level you need to understand the concept, apply that particular thing and analyze the advantages. Okay, for example, clean technology. Okay, analyzing the clean technology, how it works. Okay, where we need to apply. Okay, analyze the efficiency of the thing. Okay, so evaluate means is comparing between the two things. Okay, but we are don't have a entry level of evaluate. We just will go for until the analysis level. Okay, so based on that, the question will be there in the question paper, even for the FAT one as well as the final assessment. Okay, as you are aware of all this RBT level course outcome. Okay, we are outcome based education institute. Okay, so please try to understand the concept. So I don't want to get into boring you at the starting itself. So this will help you to understand what we are going to cover, what we are going to see in the next 45 hours of duration. So please, all of you note it down the content which is going to be delivered shortly to you through online mode as well as offline mode. If you have any doubt, just come and meet me in the offline section day 2 or day 3, and we will clarify. Please clarify your doubts. Okay, and also I also uploaded the assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each unit I have one assignment. Please try to complete within the due date which has been given to you, so that it will be easy for the what you call the evaluation and put the in submit what you call the formative assessment. Try to submit. We need to try to submit the marks actually to the COO office, and so please try to stick to the deadline. Okay, so the you hope you understood what for we are studying the global climate change. Okay, we will go one by one in a very depth actually about a thing. It's a theoretical paper. It's not an analytical paper. Please try to go through the things, okay, then and there, and clarify your doubts doing the face-to-face section. And I just try to stop it here. We will see the unit 1 subdivision introduction to basics of climate science shortly. Thank you.